Welcome to Science Hub. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of social connections and their impact on our bodies. Have you ever wondered if being close to someone physically and emotionally could actually synchronize your heartbeats? Well, a recent study shows that this might be more than just a poetic notion. Researchers followed 72 students on a trip to New York City, where they participated in an audio engineering contest. Equipped with wearable sensors like smartwatches and GPS-enabled phones, these students provided a treasure trove of data about human interactions in natural settings. The results? When pairs of people are less than 20 meters apart, their heartbeats can actually sync up, particularly when they focus on a shared experience, like attending the same lecture or event. Interestingly, the study found that individuals who already knew each other exhibited even greater heart rate synchronization. This suggests that pre-existing social bonds might amplify this physiological harmony. But there's more to it. The surrounding soundscape also plays a significant role. Complex noise and chaotic auditory environments can disrupt this heart harmony, as they demand more cognitive resources to focus on targeted sounds amidst the chaos. This added mental load can strain the brain and hinder its natural ability to engage socially. This groundbreaking research offers compelling evidence that physiological synchrony between individuals could be a reliable indicator of social interaction in our everyday lives. By understanding how physical and emotional closeness affects us, we can develop new tools to measure and enhance social connections. In a world increasingly dominated by digital isolation, physical and emotional proximity might just hold the key to enriching real social bonds. If you enjoyed this insight into the science of social connections, subscribe to Science Hub for more intriguing content.